Wabatu nyare gusanga asinse moyo kionga asinchira iri ya vene kiguma na ne kirongo chaka kukumanya nyare gusanga nche chinse mocha Facebook na boigo YouTube masemo bunagetembe TV irieta Matilda Ovaigwa na ne kirongo chaka kurwase amagacha ikulu enene kiro murai wense litukuria lero chinse cha mambia anyara kwene kyabuna onyare gwetia koba lichiko engana ya okukwanera okokewa kwebango emanyakanete buna value added tax gose VAT anamono eyoko chakwene kibuna amaguta ya petroli mienzi ya Kenya taranyara koba ayeri goli rigoro mono etambukire kiga nige kegocha amatukabiroka magiga yumrai wense kurugo chika buna nigo amaguta gose ebangeyo nigo ebonete gokewa eri gokonya abakenya ekero rigoriria maguta rigendete gukina asense ngima kubwatakana netisegi kigendete asense ya Iran no muswada onyarete gukwanirwa bosio we bunge litukore igoroko tenenerwa no monogere bwe bunge naboigo negati ya barai guse ababunge barosia machiko kurega asense ya Kenya.
The Value Added Tax Amendment Bill 2026. This bill, Your Excellency, was introduced in the House by the Deputy Leader of the Majority Party, the distinguished member for Kilifi North, on behalf of the Majority Party. Your Excellency, this bill follows a dispatch that came from the National Treasury, dated 10th of April, which advised that His Excellency the President request the National Assembly to amend Cap 476 of the VAT Act so as to cushion Kenyans from the possible effect of the rising in petroleum products, Your Excellency, rising costs of petroleum and petroleum products, Your Excellency. The bill, Your Excellency, was introduced the 17th, Your Excellency. The bill was introduced and passed in a record time yesterday on 16th, Your Excellency, in all stages, first reading, second reading, Committee of the Whole House, and third reading. In a nutshell, Your Excellency, this bill amends Section 6 of the VAT Act. Currently, Section 6 of the VAT Act permits the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury to vary VAT by a percentage not higher than 25%. That's the standard VAT, which is currently set by law at 16%. But conscious that the 25% may not be able to cushion Kenyans appropriately, the National Assembly responded to your request.
Tigana nayo igati ya bamenye korwa ase county ya Nyamira abo pale abonchoreria ane muno ase sekta ya bodaboda na boigo matatu ni gobono kwanyare kwe murunganiria ugukina kwerigori ria petroli asense ya Kenya bagusanga negetaseni kiga ni gobono banyare kwerabuna nigo engane yo eracheko reto bukongo bonene ase amangana yo bosombi na boigo uchumi ensi ya Kenya kirobono rigori riobugima rirachie gukina na chinga kiecho ni gobono banyare kuporia baraivari bachorire ko bayibirogo banyare kwene kibuna bayimukire gitambukiro na boigo gweswana ni kokonya abakenya okeya rigori riobugima na chinga kiecho banyare gusaba abasaye na boigo abakenya bonsi gwesokia sobonge kweli kibuna bakikura ilio konya koleta burai obya semotko arebosio
gaki promise cho chiarwete nchiyo shiroji ndo ngainereri no mutinyu start tutaita kurubona bako mutinyu sta emetinyi yo mobuoka kero mambine twaja kiro mutinyu gatani gatena ebindo ngoja bido chako mutinyu yu igo ganyete ebindo byose byakwana tubira bimbiyo bigukere gendo gaki eto kora kwana watana nimeongeza hii ayana yugo chirusi abantu baito toko batebi serikali ndo endete konyerigerere na bali mo support omorengo rubwe byara bibere ntora abakana embi ya mulimo gukamenga mbe no yarwarire lakini ensema ya mabutero insetera ababurunge magenderando bono ntetengo boli para bono yasunduligwa kurubacho keroka yakole metienyisita yasunduligwa kurukeroka kusikiamo kama ene gasto koro to gwa covid
na inje no muntu yo monde para mbwate gari ane breakdown yochikungusa chigari otuko narangirwe gari kabwatera netia abantu nasinye tukogenda kera maguta ari iguru abantu bechi bibi baba konye tabagacha kobogorie gari yi bakarusia abantu imenare konyara kona ne breakdown
in fact nigo tokumetie serikali ese gotoira troje obogima bwa kongire ma igo tosinyire bono serikali na kierengerete in fact ebiasara nigo togokora igakeroka imwanja korigire diga gothire iga chito korumami nigo togopagete chigari amaguta bono gakiara abaigoro serikali ne mogotomentera amaguta na kitorasomino ena abana
bono akomoni mwananchi ngorengeri ngondale konyoro bokongu bonge kiara bono ama after the moment ya mentire eminute kere bita byons pin commenta bir ande muna bigo chikomenta igo bono monto common mwananchi uchakire gusumbuka chana chakira kotwaro bwoba ikiagera amaisha chakire gokonga bono efe abune yakwenda kuruga mpaka kijauri bamentete mbakemi kurwa se alenge 50 bosunga se yange mi amentire double ya chire 200 bono bali to kore biashara twanyoro robo konguto kunyara gusukana biashara bibintu bitu byagundire nyomba
intuna abantu ba one time two time ntonyitageti engenjere bakonya banga ngaino mo president na two time itigaba bamongainore igo bako mongaina bari bayigote nakini mbarengerete mwana inchi na abantu abo bareigo chikuranchi chike muje motochere na ritora babone mu atokonye den two time mu atokonye to sine chibesa mu atokonya na into to chimuri torre kane buja
ke kunyarikana tianye ni 140 nabo bostari babantu bamingi ka kunyera ni 140 amangana ndi ntukwana amangana one time two time ntunto maiti bintebyo one time gose two time ntuterigo tokonya kende yonse bi tiga toikenga kitwa kechikura mwa gotete ko rusio mondo ko beko mondoro mu yego iko akekura mwa gotete ko rusio mondoro mu beko iko akekura.
Na ikiama gia ODM gikurawa no museneta we county ya Siaya Muske Oburu Odinga ni gubono Kenya rikuburia o masikani kurwa ase kiama kirio kia UDA wa gukwana gwetero munogerio obo Muske Catherine Omanyo uyokorwa ase county ya Busia ni gubono banyare kwerabuna gati ya barai kurwa ase ikiama kia UDA anamono inse yubuteneneri wa broad based ni gubarorekanire kubatoka chinkwana chitari cha maskani na bwigo chikubabulio morembe abawatani ba ODM abubono bali ase broad based ne chinga kecho ni gubono banyare gotabuna ni gubara chikwene kiabuna UDA teri kubatanga kubeka abobwatani ase chinsemo o chiri chibwate obochori oboke na bwigo no nyina obochori bonene boli busio mwaka 2027.
Our relationship with our broad-based partners, UDA, the Central Committee noted with concern. UDA Party. The Central Committee noted with concern the goings on and the unwarranted public utterances by some senior officials of the UDA party aimed at causing anxiety and disquiet among our members. As a party that believes in its principles, ideology, and the foundation on which it was founded, we demand respect from the UDA party. 5, Kenyans are concerned about the increase in fuel prices. We know this is a global problem. While noting the government's efforts to mitigate the situation, we continue to push it to do more to cushion Kenyans from effects of the crisis.
Kroase wizara yobochenu kubwatikana no kumusanana kwa bogo kwenekiwa ase nyagitari ya Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital nigobono mwaziri bobochenu Muske Aden Duale anyare kurwa ogochika buna oboteneneri guse management nyagitari yo nyare gukora chinkwana cyo kubeko morembe na boigo okoigwana na bakori emirimo ase nyagitari yo elio kogendereria obokoreri ase nyagitari yo na boigo chinga kicho nigo anyare gotabuna asumuruberio o universal health coverage nigo bone serikali irachikone kiuna bakoria mirimo mbaisani gitena bwigo mbanyare gukora emirimo asinjira ebonete witira huwakano engeri yabo tinga kichibonete na bwigo kurase serikali.
Lakini I want to talk to juzi tulikuwa na mgomo katika Kenyatta Hospital, and I want to thank the board and the management of Kenyatta Hospital for sitting with our healthcare workers and resolving the issue. I have also given firm instructions to the leadership, the board and the CEO and the management of MTRH that they must resolve all the outstanding issues with the healthcare workers in our level 6 referral hospital. One of the most important pillars of universal health coverage and its success is human resource. Wafanyakazi wetu, wahudumu wa afya. Na ndio nilipokuwa waziri, maneno ya strike katika Afya House nimemaliza. Internship, kila kitu. Na mimi pia nauliza county governments, the way mheshimiwa gavana amesema, over 700 healthcare workers will be transited to permanent and pensionable. We want to also urge all our governors to make sure that healthcare workers are given priority.
Mwancho murigereria ase amamiranio ya matera sawana beskuru ayo agendrete me yense ya Kenya litkolia lero nigobono aborokiwa abanyara gusanga no murai wense samagacho aikulo enene niboigo egati ya bawaziri na abarai kurwa ase serikali anamuno kurwa ase ebunge nechinga kicho aborokiwa abanyara korokia ebiegwa bobwate asamangana yo kwegia kusese chigosori cyo kwegia naboigo ase amangana ya matera asenchira kubwatia.
Na sometimes na kuanga careless, huwa napoteza vitu. Kama jana nilikuwa nimepoteza fahamu. Na nikiangalia huku State House, naona tu kuna security, kila mahali ni polisi. Sasa mimi nimekuja na hiki kichungi State House. Ndio hiki kichungi, si kila mtu ameona? Hiki ni kichungi na nimeacha hapo. Ndio hili wanichungie maisha yangu. Shule inaitwa Chuka High School, Wycliffe.
Mpatie igwe
Rakwe mwenye ayona yana mwangi asenjira yabena njira yubwikirano wetrase emitandao yeto yekirero tonyore Facebook na boigo YouTube na nekirongo kura kukubolya to basauska kyagera amaliganyo yesawato na yengenjo ko muno litukeriga aliya lero gendera kuri yerigereria Getembe TV iri teriane Matilda Oboigo twale e weekend erento erero.